Welcome to Martino Architect. If this is your first time in this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. So in this video, I will show you how you can create different types of roof for your project. And one thing you should note is that creating a roof for a project depends on the function and form of that project. So in this project, I will show how you can create different types of roof, ranging from the hip roof, the gable roof, the mono pitch roof, and the scallion roof. So let's start by creating the hip roof, which is common to residential buildings like bungalows and duplex. So let's start by creating the wall. Go to architecture, wall, architecture. I'll just create 5 by 5 meter wall. I think this is okay. So go to the roof level. So let's create roof for this particular space now. Go to roof by footprint. We will set by, let me say, 500 mm. So you pick the external walls. When you are done, you can set your angle. Your roof angle is already at 35 and 30 degrees. You can change it to 40, 45, 25, depends on you. And let's leave it at 35 for this particular video. So when you are done, you finish. As you can see, this is your hip roof. You can change the roof thickness. You can do any other editing that you want to do. Duplicate. Let's change the thickness of this to 25. As you can see, this is very thick. Let's change it to 25 mm. I think this is better now. Yeah, this is your hip roof. Let's proceed by creating the gable roof. Let's go back to wall, architectural. Repeat the same process, go to roof level. Roof by footprint. Let's see the same state. Pick the external walls. We know what gable roof looks like. It slopes in two sides. It slopes in two sides, and the other side is covered with walls. So at this point now, we're going to slope here and here, so this side won't be sloped. So do this. We highlight this and define the slope. That means removing the slope. Don't attach. So at this point, let's let this attach top to base. Do the same thing here. Repeat the same thing. Attach top to base. To do that, just select the wall and click on any part of the roof. It will be removed. So as you can see, this is a gable roof. This is a gable roof. Okay, let's proceed by creating the mono pitched roof. Repeating the same process. Let's copy this. CO to copy. So go to roof level. Repeat the same process, roof by footprint. Offset by 500. As you all know how mono pitch roof looks like, it's normally sloped only in one side. So at this point now, we select the three sides. I want it to slope towards the back side. So select these whole three sides. You can select the one instead. Undefined. But at this point, we are going to reduce the slope. Let me say like 10 degrees. I can reduce it again. Say 5 degrees. This is okay. So to cover this opening, go back to roof level. You create another wall. Create another wall at the roof level. So repeat the same process of attaching the top to base. Select, click on any part of the roof, it will be reduced. Do the same thing here. Select the wall, click on any part of the roof, it will be reduced. And this is your mono pitched roof or shade roof. This is your mono pitched. So again, lastly, we're going to be creating the scarion type of roof. Let's copy this. Okay, this type of roof is used in a situation one part of the wall is lower than the other. So you can use this. That is why you can use this type of roof. But at this point, the two roofs will be created differently. Let's start by creating the higher roof first. Higher side of the roof. So go back to roof by footprint. Repeat the same process. I'll set by 500. So we have created one side of the roof, so let's create the remaining side. Go back to roof level. roof by footprints. Let's make this one higher. Say the slope of 10. So at this point, you can create other walls, or you can easily do this right from here. Attach top to this. As you can see, this is a scallion roof. Scallion type of roof. So this is it. Your hip roof, your mono pitch roof, the gable roof, and scallion type of roof. So for more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and don't forget to drop